City Council came through today wanting to demolish the structures here at Moto Republic, even though we've got approved plans. We've been here for nearly 2 years now, and they started actually demolishing it straight away until we got the mayor to intervene, and now they're saying we've got until next Thursday to remove these structures. And we're saying, why are we being told to remove structures when the plans are approved? They're sitting there at City Council, they've been stamped and everything, and this is a space that is here to inspire young people. It's a space where young creators, designers, animators come to work, come up with the new big ideas to drive our country forward. And now the City Council wants to destroy this space. Why? When there are bigger things for the City Council to focus on, like fixing our roads and so forth, they want to come instead and destroy the first creative hub in Zimbabwe.
So